Let us do Parivritha Ardha Chandrasana, twisted half moon pose. Stand in Tadasana. Take your right leg one step back. Breathe in and stretch both your hands at the shoulder level. As you breathe out, twist the torso. Bend forward, bringing the right palm onto the mat while raising the leg. Left hand should be pointing to the ceiling. Look up. Relax when you have the balance. I will continue. For better stability, stare at one point. Breathing in, easy. Hold for a certain number of breaths and slowly relax. Drop the leg down, rise up and come to Tadasana Sthiti. Repeat on the other side. Very good. Relax. Come back to Tadasana.